Welcome to vStellar. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and execute a test suite in vStellar Studio with no code. Let's get started. First, clone a project from the welcome screen. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to create a new project. Here, enter the project name and specify the project location. Once done, click Create, and your project file will be created. Next, in the new project file, you will have to create a test suite. You can do it by clicking the Test Suite icon in the menu bar. Select UI as the test type, since we're doing UI web automation here. Give the suite a name and click Create. With the test suite created, you'll now add the essential information in the web test visual editor. Start by adding the title of the test suite and URL of the website you want to test. Once done, hit Enter to start the session. Next, assign a tag and press Enter to save it. Now select a locator file. You can either select an existing one or create a new file. I'll create a new file later, so I'll leave this space empty for now. After entering the required details, add a scenario name and tags. Once the basic setup is done, it's time to add the test steps. Start by adding an action for user navigates to URL. After this, click the Save button to save the step. Next, let's add an assertion. Choose the option, User verifies the element. Now go to the browser and interact with the page. For instance, hold the Option key on Mac or the Alt key on Windows, then click on the button to book a demo. When you click, a tab for saving locators will appear automatically. In this tab, you can edit the locator, you can change it to XPath, ID, CSS selector, or any other option. After making any necessary edits, click Save Locator. vStellar Studio will allow you to assign a specific name to the locator and choose its location. Here you can create a new locator file. Now let's add another action. This time, user clicks on an element, simply type click, and all available pre-built options will be shown. Let's click on Book a Demo again. The Locator tab will open again. Select the locator, click Save Locator, and proceed. As you can see, I've changed the name of the locator here, but it will still pick up the same location I selected earlier for this scenario. If you want to perform an action, release the key you're holding, then click. Here I will click on Book a Demo. You'll notice that the screen has changed, and we've now moved to the Sign Up page. Now I want to interact with the sign-up form. Let's say I want to enter text. Choose the action User enters text, fill in the details, save the locator, and repeat this for the other fields. Next, let's click the Submit button. Before that, we need to fill out the form. Now let's create an action to submit the form. Choose Click on Element, then save its locator. Now that the locator is saved, release the key and interact with the page. Click the Submit button and release the key. You'll be redirected to the Thank You page. At this point, we need to add an assertion to confirm the page change. I'll use the assertion, User verifies the element is visible. Once done, save its locator. Now, save the scenario. Go to the code editor where you'll see all the details, tags, and actions you've set up. To run the scenario, go to the runner, select the test suite, assign the tag, and click Save. Press play to execute the test. The test will run in the browser you selected. You can also edit or delete test steps as needed. For example, I'll add a new step to close the browser after the test is complete. Once I add the step, I'll run the test again and it runs successfully. And that's how you create and execute a test suite in vStellar Studio. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Happy testing!